What's up guys, buongiorno, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all Italian wine grape varieties. It is quite famous even though it is not all that commonly found on wine labels. The reason being that the most famous appellation that produces this grape is Taurasi in Campania. This is the region of Italy where Naples is located. The most famous region producing this grape is Taurasi in Campania, but you will find sometimes this grape variety appearing on wine labels, just as you can see on the picture here on your video, under the name like in Basilicata, Aglianico del Vulture, one of the most famous DOCs producing Aglianico. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this Italian grape variety with the typical Italian pronunciation? Aglianico. You do want to insist on the middle A, Aglianico. The G there is not pronounced. You do not say Aglianico. GL in Italian is just like an L. So Aglianico. Do not pronounce the G. Aglianico. Aglianico del Vulture or Aglianico under the DOCG Taurasi. Aglianico. If you want to learn more about all of the wines from Italy, here are many more videos that you should watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.